In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the color of a solid in After Effects. Start by selecting the layer in the composition. Press Ctrl-Shift-Y on your keyboard or Command-Shift-Y on a Mac. Alternatively, select Layer at the top and choose Layer Settings. Here you will see a color box and an eyedropper. If you want to select a color from your preview, then select the eyedropper and click on it. To select a custom color, click the color box. Click and drag the slider on the right to choose a color. Click and drag on the colored palette to the left to select a tone. You can also enter a custom hex code on the right to select a specific color. Press OK when you're happy. Click OK again and the color of your solid will now be changed.